Hello and welcome to another featured application video. Today we are making a fairly simple easel design that you can use to display signage or decorative pieces. We are going to start by importing our file into Ruby. We have 4 different easel designs that we are going to run together. You can find this file in the description box below. Go ahead and create a job and then snap the file to the laser head. We are cutting this out on 3mm veneered bamboo, so we will select that material from our materials database. Load your material, push the file to the laser, and hit start. These wooden easels are a great solution for displaying signage or artwork. You can purchase Trotec's veneered wood and other materials at the link below. After the laser finishes processing, we will wipe the material down with a damp cloth to remove any residue. Using transfer tape is a great way to remove all of the pieces from your laser at once. You can also easily flip the material over to wipe off the other side. Remove the scrap pieces. Assembly is simple. Each piece should slide into place easily. And there we have 4 different easel stands ready to display your work. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos and leave any questions in the comments below. See you soon!